Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content. Top 5 Best Electronic Wrench Review. Number 4. This compact rechargeable electric screwdriver and mini electric drill combo set is perfect for home use. The automatic screwdriver ensures easy fastening, while the mini drill handles light drilling tasks efficiently. With rechargeable convenience and a portable design, this versatile toolset is ideal for DIY enthusiasts tackling household repairs and small projects. Number 3. This 21V high-capacity 2-in-1 brushless electric impact wrench features a powerful 15,000 mAh Li-ion battery and LED light for enhanced visibility. Adaptable with Makita batteries, it offers exceptional torque and durability for heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers efficient performance for both wrenching and drilling applications. Number 2. Specifications, usage, home DIY, power source, battery, is _customized, yes, weight, 1.5 kilograms, dimensions, 200 mm 150 mm 100 mm, model number, electric impact wrench, rated voltage, 220V, origin, mainland China, brand name, XMSJ, motor type, brushless, power source, electricity, type, impact wrench, grade, DIY, brand name, Enegup. Number 1. This rechargeable handheld electric screwdriver features a small lithium battery for convenience and portability. Ideal for household tasks, it offers wireless operation for ease of use. With multiple bit attachments, it's versatile for various jobs. Compact yet powerful, this electric screwdriver is perfect for cross-border buyers seeking efficiency and reliability in home repairs. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.